Your previous history with porn addiction doesn't have to define you. Your failures in the past with attempting NOFAP and trying to remove porn out of your life does not have to dictate and shape your future relationship with porn and masturbation. Brother, I'm here to tell you that if you're watching this video and you're ready to make the choice, you're ready to make the commitment to living a porn-free life, then you have the power inside of you and you have everything already at your fingertips to quit porn for good, to create a porn-free life, reboot and rewire your brain. But more importantly, step into the life that you know you were created to live. What's going on, brother? My name is Frank Rich, CEO and founder of Rebuilt Recovery, and it is our mission to help men break free from the shackles of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there and also turn those post notifications on so you are notified every single time a new video is released. Guys, for the last year and a half, we put a video up every single day, Monday through Friday, here on YouTube to help you to understand why you've gotten addicted to porn, to help you understand a little bit about the neuroscience of unwiring and rewiring your brain, to provide you with tips, tools, strategies, and tactics to quit porn for good, but more importantly, create a meaningful life, one that is living in service of others and the life that you were designed and created to live. So I'm here to tell you that if you're watching this video right now and you're thinking about removing pornography out of your life, this is your year. We want to help you. We want to support you. We want to be there along your journey with you, walking those steps, providing the support, providing the community, providing the accountability to not just go a day, to not just go a week, to not just go a month without porn, but to go an entire year as the beginning of the rest of your life. So there's 3 ways that I'd love to help you in your journey right now. First off, I want to invite you to join our free Facebook group. It's one of our main focuses this year, is providing a safe, comfortable, and accountability type of community. One where the men lift each other up, one where the men encourage each other, one where men are winning and thriving at life as they remove pornography out of your life. So make sure to check that first link down there in the description box there below. I'm gonna drop the link to join our Facebook group. There's just a couple of questions that we want you to answer because it is by application only, and we want to make sure that we have the right type of men in that group. So check that Facebook group out there. The second way we want to help you here at Rebuilt Recovery and helping you create a porn-free life is I want to give you the 7 steps to living life without porn. Written a free ebook. So I'm going to link that down there below the Facebook group. But check out the ebook, guys. It is the exact process and formula that we have used with nearly 2,000 men at this point to help them quit porn for good. But more importantly, build the accountability, build the discipline, build the willpower to not just live a porn-free life for a short term, but actually create a porn-free life, one that is filled with meaning, one that is filled with value, one that is filled with freedom. So that's a 7-step guide. I'm going to link it down there below the Facebook group. And the third way, brother, I want to help you this year in removing pornography out of your life for good is I want to give you the exact 16-week process that we use with all of our VIP one-on-one coaching clients, that we use with all of our group coaching clients, that we launch a group every single month. I want to hand off the exact curriculum, the exact 16-week process. Okay, what we've done is we packaged this inside of a video course where every week you get a series of training videos, you get a series of educational videos, you get a series of work assignments, you get a series of meditation, building a morning routine, building an evening routine, how fasting is going to be a tool for you to help you get out of this porn. Brother, this is shattering all the traditional recovery methods. There's nothing that's ever been put together like this. And I'm so excited to invite you to join us. So check it out. I'm going to put that as the first link down there. So the first link is going to be the Reboot Your Life 16-week PMO recovery course. Brother, I'm telling you that, like I said, there's nothing like this program available on the internet right now. And we're offering a 365-day money-back guarantee. If for whatever reason you decide to enroll in the course, you decide to roll in the program and follow the 16-week steps, follow every single module, take the assignments, do the work, do the homework, read the materials, But if for some reason it doesn't work for you and you're not satisfied with your results, we're going to give you all of your money back. So check that out, guys. It's the Reboot Your Life. But I'm here to tell you that if you've been thinking about this for a while, if you've been hesitating and sitting on the fence about taking the plunge of really ultimately deciding, maybe your failures in the past have caused a limiting belief. If that's here, brother, I'm here to tell you that that needs to be shattered. The only reason you will not succeed at removing porn out of your life, if you're truly committed at it, is you either lack the character traits. So that's the inability to do the things necessary to live a porn-free life, which we walk you through how to develop those in the 16-week program, or you lack the belief system. So whatever belief you have about yourself right now, if somewhere in that belief you do not feel that you can live a porn-free life, well, brother, we need to get in front of that right now, because that is a limiting belief. And we have hundreds of transformation stories to show that no matter where you are, no matter how long you've been struggling with this, no matter how long you've been in the depths of this addiction, you have the way to get out. So check out the Reboot Your Life. Find the 7-step guide. Join us in the Facebook group. But Frank Rich from Rebuild Recover, guys, really hoping today's video provided a sense of inspiration and perhaps motivation for you to make 2022 the year that you begin to live a porn-free life. Hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop us a comment down there below. But Frank Rich from Rebuild Recover, I love you guys, and we'll see you on the other side.